In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund games on Steam Mobile. If you bought a game through the Steam app and need to request your money back, the good news is that Steam makes the process pretty simple right from your phone. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to tap so you can submit your refund request quickly and confidently. First, open the Steam Mobile app on your phone. Once you're in the app, look for the menu icon, which appears as three horizontal lines in the corner of the screen. Tap that to open the navigation menu, then select Support. This is the section where Steam handles account help, purchase issues, and refund requests. So this is where the process begins. After that, tap on Purchases from the Help options. This will show your purchase history, where you can find the game you want to refund. Scroll through the list if needed, then tap on the specific game. On the next screen, Steam will show several issue options related to that purchase. From that list, choose I would like a refund. This tells Steam that you want to move forward with a refund request rather than another type of support issue. Next, tap I'd like to request a refund on the following screen. You'll then be asked to choose how you want to receive the refund. Depending on the purchase, you may be able to select your Steam wallet or your original payment method. After choosing that, select a reason for the refund from the drop-down menu. Be sure to pick the option that best matches your situation so your request is clear and accurate. Finally, tap Submit Request to send everything to Steam for review. Once submitted, Steam will review the request and follow up with the result. And that's how to refund games on Steam Mobile.